Alright, YouTube land. So, here's something different for you. It was an 88, 89 Sunbord Cosica. 195. Trusty old backup Tahoe is hauling it. Paid $400 for it. But, it's just about complete. Does have one soft spot on the floor from a guy leaving a towel on it. Clean title on both the trailer and the boat. All in all, it's not bad. Definitely gotta remove that branch there later. I'll probably do that in just about 5-10 minutes. Powered by a 4.3 OMC Cobra, so basically a Chevy engine. Up we go. Damn branch. Here's where the soft spot is. It's not terrible, just a little soft right there. And the battery's dead right now. It has no radio, unfortunately. And the engine's not firing right now. I'll try and fix that later on. Pull these seats up. There's the battery. Might be a little low. Also, it's not even bolted in right. Oh, goddamn. So, yep. Just noticed the carb is bagged up. Give it a tarp, a little, I think that's radar. Not radar, sonar. For fishing. Let's see. Accessory. Let's see, I'm going to be using channel 15, 14, 13, 12. Channel 1, 2. Works, but it's a little burnt out. There's a horn in it, but I'm not sure what that is. Voltage is low, so this battery is pretty much kaputski. Harness is going to be a pretty fun thing to install. Not harness, radio. Just got to drill out the dash box because that's locked up. Do that later. There is stuff in there and it is sliding out, so that's pretty good. A little storage bilge. That ain't bad. I'll pull that cover off all the way because oh, hello bees. Would you kindly fuck off? I swear to God, there's bees in here. I'm going to be pretty pissed off. I bought a beeless boat. Bees. Don't need you. One second, that's a little stuck. And that just broke. Son of an emerald horse. Alright. That broke, but popped out where I did want to. Come on, you. I know you twist. Is there a lower one? Yes, there is. It's nice. Up here is nice and solid. Pull back the curtains to reveal a cup holder full of every kind of plant and some nice foot coats. Patient devices. Mixed ages. And for some reason the bench seat. I'm not mad. That's pretty comfortable to sit on. I think there's storage up here. Check and see. Oh, there's more coats. Let's see. This guy pops up. I think it does. Give me a minute. And yes, there is. It's empty though. I'm gonna drop these little float coats down there. It is dry, but a little mildew smelly. I'll probably even leave one of them open. Side scan all the way out. Oh, nice spider. Die. What's this side? Ooh, this side has something. Either like the side. I'm sure actually, I don't even know where these ones zip onto. What else we have back here? I don't know what that's for. Huh. A little wear of the tape, the carpeting there. I don't know what those two are for, but we'll find that out later. Ow! Dropped on my foot. This guy. I don't think that front seat slides out. Yeah, I'm gonna say no. Got bitten by a spider, I think. Not bad, not bad. Oh, that's off of. Yeah, I'm gonna leave one of these opened up so it'll breathe. Kill any mildew in there. I'll run both up. Alright, because I'm pretty sure the battery in here is pretty dead. And by that, even not even hooked up right now. Heyo, very good. New boat.
New boat?
Yep, $400.
Wow. Good?
Not yet. Working on that. Alright, jump box is on. 12.3 going. Now we got some life out of it. Oh, wait a minute, so huh. Well, I don't know how the hell. All the lights at least work. Starts up now. We let that charge up. All the gauges are pretty nice on here. Not really much else I can show you. to open up that OMC box. Horn. Bilge pump. The blower, I don't know where that goes to. Maybe for water? I don't know. I'll figure that out. So yeah. Here's that box I mentioned. Don't know what secrets are inside of it, but radio will be pretty easy to install. Get some new speakers on it and such. You already have a partial harness right here. This is looking pretty good though. Oh, that's where those little pieces of plastic go. Okay, okay. And there's probably a back piece I can get. We should probably cover up the entire boat, which I should probably order ASAP. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order that little back piece there. But yeah, my latest purchase. I've gone for 11 minutes of just bullshitting right now. Let it charge up. So we get some spark plugs because this thing has 0 in it right now. Spray some carb cleaner into it and see if she'll sputter at least. If I get some life out of it, hell yeah. Everyone knows what's inside this box. Fortunately, I don't think this key will fit in here. I think I just stopped recording, so forgive me on that one. I cannot find a good spot. Right there. Damn it. Okay, fuck you. Alright, we're going right here to the floor. Sorry, I gotta lift my feet for a little bit. Let's get angle this. Yeah, alright, that works, I think. It seems like I'm gonna need to drill this out. Yep, drill out time. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. I'm gonna do some video editing magic, and we'll come back to this drill later.